In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2 Gmail accounts using the same phone number in just 3 minutes. This is something that Google allows to make your life easier, especially if you're someone who needs different accounts for various purposes but wants the convenience of using a single number for verification and recovery. It's good to know, though, that Google generally lets you use one phone number to verify up to 4 or 5 accounts. So, as long as you haven't hit this limit, you're ready to go. Let's start off by creating your second Gmail account. But first, if you haven't already created your first account, you'll need to do that. Head over to the Google account creation page, where you'll begin the registration process. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details, such as your name and the desired email address. Don't forget to enter your phone number when asked, as this is crucial for verification. Once your first account is set up, keep your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to switch back and forth during this process. With your initial Gmail account ready to go, you're in a perfect position to set up your second account. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your account profile icon. This is where the magic happens. Click on your account profile, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Look for and click on the Add Account option. This will open up a new window or tab, taking you to the sign-in page for adding another Google account. Here, you'll have the choice to sign in to an already existing account or create a new one. Since we're focused on creating a new account, search for the Create Account option and select it. Google will guide you through the process of establishing this new account. This will involve coming up with a unique username and setting a strong password. Of course, you'll enter your trusty mobile number again. As you continue, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Google takes your privacy and security seriously, so they aim to ensure the accuracy of your details. When you enter your mobile number for verification, Google will send a code to your phone. This step ensures that it is indeed you who's initiating this account setup. After you receive the verification code, just input it as instructed, and voila, your new Gmail account is now active and ready to use. Now, switching between your accounts is a breeze. Simply click on your account profile again, and you'll see a list of Gmail accounts linked to your mobile number. This makes it incredibly easy to jump between accounts as you need. And there you have it, a simple and efficient method to have 2 Gmail accounts under the same phone number, enhancing both your accessibility and organization.